Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to computer class. Today we are going to start our chapter number 8, Introduction to HTML. In this chapter we will learn about HTML, benefits of HTML, HTML editor, browser, tags, elements and attributes, structure of document, creating HTML document, saving HTML document, viewing HTML document, heading, paragraph, line break, bold, italic, underline, CSS and font elements. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The word hypertext signifies the user can view the worldwide pages. Text is anything written in English or alphabetical or alphanumerical character. Markup means we can mark up the text. You have to write a special indentation through the special tag. Languages specified in HTML is a programming language. However, unlike the traditional programming languages, it is a language that uses two special symbols called tags. HTML does not use variable and constant. It includes two kinds of text, content and markup. Content is information like text, picture, audio, video to be displayed on the screen. Markup is the information inserting in HTML script to control the display. HTML file include both control information, that is text, and content, that is data, which can together describe the appearance of content on web page, means the things we are watching on internet. Thus HTML is a set of instructions given to a web browser to describe the structure of a web page. Means we can create our own page as per our need. HTML documents can created with any word processor or text editor such as Notepad. Now let's learn benefits of HTML. HTML provide the following benefits. HTML is easy to learn and execute as it is based on text. HTML is an interpreter based language and its commands are executed instruction by instructions. It is a platform independent language, which means it can be executed on any operating system and it is supported by all browsers like Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox. It allows the user use two different tags to make the document look more attractive. It provides paragraph alignment feature, so you can align your text as per your choice. You can also insert images, tables and animation text or graphics on the web pages using tags. HTML also linking of different web pages using the link tag. HTML editor. HTML editor are programs used for creating web pages. They make HTML formatting faster and easier. There are two types of HTML editor, WYSNYG editor and text editor. WYSWYG editors means what you see is what you get. This editor allows a developer to see the end result will look like while the document is being created. It is like a paint program. You can drag and drop. You can create your web pages. While using this type of editor, users do not require the knowledge of HTML. This editor allows the user to see how the page will display on the web browser, means on the internet. These are required with the graphical interfaces and tools for developing web pages and inserting images, tables, lists, hyperlinks, etc. This browser helps to create web pages quickly. Some popular editors are Adobe Dreamweaver, Microsoft Frontpage, and Google Web Designer. You can create a website using these editors. They are easy to create. Text editor. Text editor like WordPad and Notepad can be used to create HTML documents. Text editor provide a variety of features like HTML validation, auto-completion of coding, FTP, syntax highlighting, table generation, or URL highlighting. Text editor can be used to develop web page by users who have some knowledge of the HTML commands. Browser. Web browsers are used to view HTML documents. Some commonly used web browsers are Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and Opera. Tags, elements, and attribute. HTML consists of tags, elements, and attributes. Tags. Tags are known as building blocks of web page. They do not appear in the browser. Tags are not cache sensitive. For example, inside the tag small html and capital HTML will have some same effect. Each tag in HTML follow specific rules and syntax. Each tag must begin with less than sign and end with a greater than symbol. Syntax. HTML on tag and /HTML, that is off tag. Elements. HTML elements are two types: container elements and empty elements. Container means pair tag. Elements that have both, that is starting tag as well as ending tag, they are called container elements. And second type is empty element. Hence, the container elements include both on symbol and off symbol. The off symbol tag is same as the on tag except the slash sign used after the less than sign. For example, to define the text first level heading, you use h1 tag as shown. So here we have h1 new word and close h1. The following code illustrate the container element: HTML body h1 new word close h1 close body and close HTML. The above code will display the output as shown. Empty element. The element that only have the starting tag, that is on tag, and no end tag, that is off tag, they are called empty element. For example, BR is an empty element which is used to give a line break, as illustrate the following code. Means to move to the next line as we are using the enter key. So HTML body in h1 new word close h1 Naya Rathod BR Avik Verma BR /body /HTML. This output of the above code is shown here. Now attribute. So attribute is a property that provides the additional information about the HTML elements. An attribute tag is always specified inside the opening tag. For example, h1, so attribute here align left, So inside the tag they are called attribute. It aligns your text moving to the left side. Structure of HTML document. Following is the basic structure that must be followed while you are writing HTML. So HTML, head, title, starting and closing, then close your head, body, write your program inside your body opening and closing tag, close HTML. HTML elements. HTML document must always begin with HTML tag. It is a container element that identifies the documents as an HTML document. The element is not visible when displaying on the browser, but it gives a hint to the browser that document is an HTML document. The tag HTML represents the root of HTML document. So here we are stopping.